Jeez. Hey guys, how the heck are you? I hope you're doing great. Now we're having an awesome day. So, this week's video is really the start of a lot of big things that we're doing to the car. As you will see later on, we have to pull the fender off of it. And the fenders with these cars, you don't just have to take the fender off. It's a lot more than that, guys. So, we have to take the fender off. Eventually, we have to take the other fender off. We have to take the front bumper off. So yeah, there's a lot of stuff coming and we have to fix all the rust. But it's getting there, guys. So bear with me in this video, this one's a little bit longer. And guys, we are also taking the entire interior out of the car, like pretty much nothing left in it at this point. So yeah guys, if you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing to the channel. Get right into this video, guys. Hey guys, as you can see, we have taken out most of the stuff that was over here with some tar remover stuff. It works pretty well. Should we just take that box off? Alright guys, we got the brake booster. We repainted it so it looks really nice. We put tape over the sticker so we can keep the original sticker out here. And we're going to put it back on. Alright guys, we got a big box here from rockauto.com. This should be the new AC evaporator core. We have found so many things for the car on this website. So I'm going to open it up and get the new AC evaporator core out of this thing. Oh boy, we got more boxes, guys. Alright guys, so what should be in these boxes are the new brake master cylinder, AC evaporator core, some O-rings and gaskets and stuff, rear window defroster relay, and the AC receiver dryer accumulator thing. So I'm going to open all of these. Probably that stuff will be inside, but you guys will get to see. Ah yes. This is the new brake master cylinder. We will probably throw this on the car pretty soon. But yeah, this thing looks pretty nice. Came with some extra line. On to the next box. I believe this is the AC receiver and dryer accumulator thing. So yeah, that's gonna look pretty cool in the car. And yes guys, as you can tell, we are going to have working AC in this thing. Right now we don't know if it works yet because it has been winter. We haven't really turned it on at all because it's winter, but we are going to have working AC in this car and all sorts of stuff. Over here we got the new relay and also some gaskets. For the big box guys, which is the AC evaporator core. Okay guys, this is some thick cardboard. There we go. Got a couple O-rings on the top, and there it is. Here it is guys, new AC evaporator core. So we will have working AC pretty soon. So yeah, that's really cool. Time to get these parts on the car, guys. Alright guys, I'm putting the front grille back on the car. And we're gonna pretty much get the front end back together. Right now what I'm going to do is take out some of the components right here so we can access some of the crap that's in the engine bay area, so I can clean it up like I did over here As you can see, it looks a lot better over there than it did before. So we're gonna clean this area up over here once I get all these components out so we can get the engine bay looking really good. Guys, check out what we got for the Supra today. Remember how we blew apart the dashboard vents when we were trying to take the dashboard out? These ones are 3D printed. They actually came out really nice. I'm really excited and I can't wait to put these on the car. But we don't have a good dashboard yet, so won't be for a little while. At least we got them now. I won't have to worry about that anymore because those pieces are definitely really hard to find. So yeah, really cool. Really happy we got those. Alright guys, I'm going to continue to try to clean up this area over here because it is just a mess. But it's somewhat getting there. Alright guys, we got this area cleaned up pretty good. I'm going to throw the battery back in and the battery tray back in. Engine bay is coming along nicely. Alright guys, we have the new brake master cylinder. It's really nice. We're probably going to throw this in the car right now. We have to bleed it first. Yeah, it looks really nice. It's going to look really cool in the car. Alright guys, update on the engine bay. Everything's pretty much done. We just have to put a couple things on over in that back corner. We got all the crap off of all the fenders and everything. We got all these components on. That looks really cool. Got the master cylinders on, brake twister painted, all of this cleaned up. We're gonna put stuff back there pretty soon. And everything's pretty much done, guys. Pretty soon we'll be working on the rust under the windshield. And once we get that done, then we can throw everything back on here. And then after that, all we'll have to do is some rust in the back, and then this thing should be pretty good. So we had to vacuum out this little area back here, and this shop vac, this would not fit in it. So what did I do? I grabbed some tape and a hose from my other vacuum, and we made a hose that fits, guys, and it works. Engineering at its finest right here, guys. Alright guys, we're taking the windshield off again so we can start working on rust.
I think it's only up to
guys, we found some brackets under the seats and a penny.
Red, so.
Should we get this one? Time to take the airbox out, guys, for the 50 millionth time. Well, there's the motor for the headlight, guys. Had to take that out to get the headlight out, to take the fender off, to fix the rust for the windshield. It's been a long day, guys.
The only thing I don't know is where does the wiring hook up to the headlamp?
Oh, we're getting somewhere, guys.
God damn it. Jeez.
Hey, we got it out. Now we unscrew those, guys.
Jesus.
Something's stuck on here, guys. Oh my God.
This is not Fender right here, is it?
Guys, there's even more Fender than we thought. More bolts. Oh.
No, this. Oh, Jesus. Here, put. No, like.
What?
Well, no, it has to come out behind the bumper.
Oh my God.
So what? You can't do this without taking the bumper off first? No way. Can you hold? Are you holding that up?
Trying. Holy crap, guys, we did it.
Yeah, except I don't think that's the way.
Well, that only took way too much effort. This car has rust in the weirdest places.
That happened because of this. Water ran down the inside of it. It's alright.
Alright guys, you can kind of see this a little bit better in the light. So basically what we had to do, take off the fender to, so basically what we had to do to access this rust area, because we had to fix this, and we are going to have to do the exact same thing on the other side. To fix that little rust area over there, and some of it we had to fix in the fender, we had to take the fender off, but to take the fender off we had to take the headlight out. But to take the headlight out we had to also take the headlight motor out. So we had to take off headlight motor, headlight, part of the front bumper, fender, inner fender, all to fix some rust up there. We have to do the same thing over there, and I'm thinking what we were probably going to do is just end up taking the entire front bumper off the car anyways, just so we can clean up some stuff, because there is some parts of the bumper that I need to repaint, and also so we can check on the radiator and all that. So I'm guessing we're probably going to take the entire front end off, like the front bumper and the other fender and all that off the car, so this thing's going to look ridiculous. Also, you guys can see we have completely gutted the interior, no seats, no nothing. So yeah, we've pretty much stripped this thing down to bare bones, and then we're going to fix it up, fix up all the rust, and then we'll finally get to put it back together and hopefully take it out on the road soon. Alright guys, it is time to wrap up this week's video. I really hope you enjoyed. So yeah, there's definitely a lot happening with the car, and there's a lot more to come with the car very soon. So yeah guys, thank you for watching. To support the channel, please comment, like, and subscribe. Hey guys, I'll see you next week. I hope you have a great rest of your week. Bye guys.